Did you know that Americans consume around 30 pounds of French fries per person every year? While fries, burgers, and sugary treats may be comforting, they're also loaded with calories, unhealthy fats, and sugars that can weigh us down in more ways than one. But what if I told you there are healthy, delicious alternatives to your favorite junk foods? Imagine satisfying those cravings while nourishing your body at the same time. First up, potato chips. We all love the crunch, but most store-bought chips are packed with unhealthy fats, salt, and additives. Instead, go for air-popped popcorn or homemade kale chips. Popcorn is a whole grain, which means it has fiber to keep you full. Plus, it's low in calories if you skip the butter. For those looking for a crunch with more nutrients, kale chips are loaded with vitamins A, C, and K. Just toss fresh kale in olive oil, sprinkle some salt, and bake until crispy. It's as satisfying as it is nutritious. Replace sugary sodas with sparkling water and fresh fruit. Sodas are one of the biggest sources of added sugars in the American diet. Drinking just 1 can per day can lead to weight gain and higher risks of diseases. Instead, try sparkling water with a splash of fresh fruit. Add slices of lemon, lime, or a handful of berries for natural sweetness. It's refreshing, with none of the added sugars or calories. Or try kombucha, a fermented tea drink that has a fizzy kick along with probiotics for your gut health. Point 3. Swap ice cream with frozen Greek yogurt, or banana nice cream. Ice cream is hard to resist, especially on hot days, but it's high in sugar and fat. Instead, opt for frozen Greek yogurt. It's creamy, delicious, and packed with protein and probiotics. Just add some fresh fruit on top for a nutritious twist. Another amazing alternative? Banana nice cream. Just blend frozen bananas with a splash of almond milk for a naturally sweet treat that's surprisingly similar in texture to ice cream. Choose dark chocolate over milk. Chocolate bars. Craving chocolate? Go for dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa instead of milk chocolate. Dark chocolate is lower in sugar, and it contains antioxidants and minerals that can boost your mood and heart health. Just remember to stick to a few small squares to keep the calories in check. The rich taste of dark chocolate often means you'll feel satisfied with less. Replace French fries with sweet potato fries or baked veggie fries. French fries are a classic favorite, but are usually deep-fried and loaded with oil. A better option? Sweet potato fries. Sweet potatoes are packed with fiber, vitamins A and C, and have a natural sweetness that satisfies your taste buds. You can also make baked veggie fries. Just slice up zucchini, carrots, or bell peppers, toss them in a little olive oil, season with spices, and bake until crispy. They're delicious and much healthier than regular fries. 6. Swap candy bars with nuts and dark chocolate. Candy bars are convenient, but they're loaded with sugar and empty calories. Instead, keep a mix of nuts and a few pieces of dark chocolate on hand. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews offer healthy fats and protein, which make you feel full and satisfied. You can even add a few dried fruits like cranberries or raisins for a hint of sweetness, but keep portions small to avoid too much sugar. Opt for cauliflower crust pizza instead of regular pizza. Pizza cravings can be hard to fight, but the refined flour crust is often loaded with calories and carbs. Enter cauliflower crust pizza. It's a lighter, low-carb alternative that doesn't sacrifice on taste. Just add your favorite toppings, bake, and enjoy. Not only is it healthier, but it's also a great way to sneak in extra veggies. There you have it. Easy, healthy alternatives to your favorite junk foods. Next time those cravings hit, try one of these swaps and your body will thank you. Eating well doesn't mean giving up flavor or satisfaction. It's all about making smarter choices.